Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to take a look at how you can get started with the MVC paradigm in BlackSheep. So MVC stands for Model View Controller, and it allows you to generate a project template where you fill in the gaps and you get a nice structured MVC compliant project. So currently I am in the BSheep folder or sheeping folder, and if I issue the BlackSheep command, in order to issue it I have to use the pip install BlackSheep-CLI. So once this is installed, I should be able to issue the BlackSheep command and say that I want to create something. And in order to create it, I have to specify a name. Let's call this demo project. And we have to decide whether we want an API or an MVC. Let's choose MVC. And yes, I want to use OpenAPI documentation, and let's give it the essential configuration. Let's make it YAML, and here after cding to the project we can use the requirements.txt to install the dependencies. And once the dependencies are installed, we can use the dev PY to start it. And if we visit in the browser this URL, let's give it a shot. So this is the URL, copy and paste. You can see that this is the landing page, and this is basically like the documentation. And if we go here under the docs, we will have the API documentation, and we can try it out as well. And this is a pretty neat concept, I believe. And if we go here and issue the nvim, we have the option to take a look at the folder structure which was created. So we have the demo project folder, and we have the dev.py, which is basically going to allow you to run the application. And we have the pyproject.toml. This is the usual toml file. And in the requirements, we have the BlackSheep, the UV-loop, markup safe, and pydantic as dependency. We have the settings YAML, and we also have the app where our code is going to be located. We have the domain, and we have the tests. And in the main.py is where basically the application's configuration happens. And we have also the views folder, and we can specify Jinja templates which allow you to render a specific page. And we have the documentations folder, which is basically the definition or open API definition for the documentation. So this is also a pretty neat feature of BlackSheep. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.